whiteboard makes inserting images onto your canvas easy. Select the Insert Image icon from the toolbar. Choose the Charts and Templates to add a graphic organizer. You may change the way resources appear by selecting the icon in the top right corner. Once you have selected a chart or template, tap to add it to your canvas. Return to Insert Image and select Gallery to add an image from your device's gallery. These could be screenshots you have taken or images you have downloaded from the internet or another application. With the selector tool in use, you can pinch and zoom to resize and rotate images or drag to reposition them.